eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi mense liga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyigo chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kerage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabondo mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na boyigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekarigori lyabantabati boyigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye gwochoganire erangiyiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores nabo kwegena muna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero elibwe nyorere abamanyi aboyigo Ekeonga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibyasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero otumikete chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumuchuyigo musongo eywerangene eduka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Vipi, mbona mbwata hapa? Nini shida?
Unajikuta nani mshikaji wangu? Yaani unaweza ukavaa ujasiri kiasi cha kwamba unaweza kutoka na wadogo zetu kwa mada zetu ambao tunawategemea baadaye waje kuwa watu wakubwa, afu unakuja kuwachezea kirahisi. Oya, omboi. Sikiliza nikwambie. Bi mkubwa anapata tabu kinoma noma kumsomesha ubinti. Si unanielewa eh? Mimi napambana kinoma noma na kaba huko mzee kwa sababu mdogo wangu mimi aishi vizuri. Afu boya mshamba kama wewe unakaa na pumbavu wenzako mnashawishiana kuja kutongoza dogo zetu. Hivi si wangu, naomba nikuulize. Kuna wanawake wangapi uko wanajiuza? Mpaka wengine wanatimuliwa katika madangulo. Serious, unakuja kutembea na mwanafunzi?
Getembe TV neri tukorera misi ya tariki Isano na Ibere mutinyo 5 na 3 Ekeonga asenchira yobwenye nchekera banyiborete bandugete Catherine na tato mtoga akoro Nyaboga igabona timbu atimo chandonde bwensi kerangoro kwa Catherine Nyaboga veni Nyaboke nera gonkonya crosso muno werwe manyerero nabo igoma kwis cross studio akabere nera kwene kebuna chibiche china Mario gingo ikirachira asenchira reyo bwekrano ikaranso ike obenentugo ikomoro tukomanye gati area agenda tewataka korwa imena isko yorogo ngorwa gusi na togo chaka abarai a onkorwa ewodek tutu central ni ngoba ikiranete ase birero bya matanga ensemo ya Kiongongi ewodek tutu central ebunge ya tutu chache south e county ya Kisii bakora wano mwemsebe wodio yu omoske dio Nyarango ni ngoba kwanete siasa chenseme yu ase omwemsebe enseme yu akwanete egesema kya mache na kobori abantu korenda amache ase boyigo aborete bari abaichorete chifom chibasari kogenda ase abisiaye na kuya chicheki cyabo kitarairaniwa ase chinsemo charoite asensemo yende yore neganga yo kuriga ekirego kyo bwemse ase ewodie yo asobochori bore moto ebo mwaka 2027 asireta Josephat Kakasungura niga nerarweto kobore gochaso mwemse oyo kurigereria echiro ya daraja 2 na kuyagaria buninchira yemo yoko Rusia bari bakora obonchororia mbare bare ne para anene mono buninchira yamo yo yogotoria amagima abo emaga yo mubasoka no mubwe para gokorekana aboli tkoreka iregoro na koira amagima y'abantu na gotiga abande ase chinkoma na gotiga abande ne chingoma chintindi asense muyende ni gosungura arweto kubolia gocha so diok korigeria abasa amabaga yemeremo na korwa ase cyabisyo mujumbe ni go barweto kubore gocha sabantu kogenda na kuya chibasari cyabana babo anamona abechi university chi college na boyigo TVET
amachaya iga elengo ya retaringa matiki kiumungi amachaya igombe gete budget akogende myuru byose ngogenda ari guchi mate konaus agenda ikige samate agende mwamugisa agende buchura agende kayaba mate abantu bitu banyanyore bonse macha ni gara mangi bana batebiriga ikera witira abamanyi bari ba mate banyapimire mbiyare cyo ari yange macha arabukunyi direct igonche nkobasaba macha yayiga uriyo kujya gusaria nayitiga epirine ine dukino ta gusaria mache bari bose nahete mache tabakawiki form tiki bazari bagacha bakuyimbya sana bagayichoria lakini bakanya kuri kicheki kire kiro office kire kyeino mugari tigo cyoye kyara twarike ruri rume bagotebunga kicheki kyo speech kyo kiwodi tira ne baki kyanya bantu baraga kyoyi for now nge kumatenga ngo ichoreti enda ngo buye cheki ya kuri office ya negalia so terangiri gwira negalia
town ya linja ya mwarora lakini ekaga tono mugabana yuke no mu MCA okitutu central ama bagani gare 400 eba bari ba beta affected bari nge 315 I talk out of the record imbugate ama bagaya 75 bakitu anja monye nyanya kobe kujoronsi dora bangi na bari maiga bari ke baoni nyanya gari town so that tokanya abantu baito ere kuja gusero ege tokende aba murabara igamba bwati gas nyambera ali nayo kugamboro oroja abantu bakwaga cyari mpaka bakorema abande ndo bamaito utakora aba murabara mayaga bitokonye aya tobekirega ali banyore sabuni mara kwa daraja 2 nere komeki chirese chinyinge pi ere namba isato kenyingi aya buno mu MC gamba na gabana rosi asakorekana abayiboli baitomba kwa mbaku bono mam eboli umuyiboli mamu aba mwana ganye tomngina ate mara kwa bane ne sukuma gose chikende ingo kule kakidio kya waro ne tokotokonya iromu swada ali boli daraja 2 rosi bu abangina bambago tuwe Egera 2020 tikerengo so you make a very good handover I make Kitutu Central great again.
Kali mwa koleta application yetu basa rinko tangazo twaenanete university secondary MTC na TTC kuna bono St Paul Keroka TTC echichonsipi chiabere tayare ugo ulio tigarete maybe ubwato mwana buna load MTC okonyora mbuye kole tafadhali uchakera mambia genda ofisi yetu ya Nyanchwa oewe echeki eyo ogende nero so ndaite gukebeka kirianga chibocha chirichonsi pitwa baete alionsi pia lenga masakara bono igabere echeki yabeire besa
na gwikea se kaunti ya Nyamira bune nchira yemo yo kweroberia bosi bo bochorio bonene bore bosi bo mwaka 2027 na boigo obochorio boke imewe ye wodere ya Nyansiongo wodi ya Nyamaiya amone wodere ya Kerenyo ekiama kia UPA nigo kegendete kweroberia bo ikeranu bosi bo bochorio bo ukona chinga kia ba watane be kiame kyo kurwachi wodi chance merongebere me kaunti ya Nyamira batu arege karo mambiri tukore arero nigo baro kuborogo cha saba gusi weso kia na kweri na kwirikia buna babwatani ase kya mekyo irikorokia abam obomo na boigo egentokereire abagusi konyora egetari ekenetwe ase serikali erache korosiwa ase obojori buri mutwe negikarokia bagekoraho no murai bwe kya mekyo na boigo oyore omurai omo governor we county ya Nyamira amoske mo minyaribo
igoto wenkobanga amangana yepati naende nga kitoko genda moto ikiagara munatorigere chumoto baono tutabeti amamuno mugusi tutenene chama yemo ntobutwara nguru chindi chonse naende togopage inyana onse muntu tayora agosike ikiagara mo musambara stiketa noroche buna baono torega otobangire ebinto muroche biuchiroche byagenda naende uchibigoro binde intu twatumwa lakini gochimotwe ntabo monto ogosikwa naende obuyambo rintu bwate candidate okorokwa Fred Okengo Matiang'i oyi abakenya banchire bateneni obu president anyare okonya Kenya yaito igo gaiga asitore mono naende twachikogamba igori by elections chiraise ko banyansiongo Nyamaya na Ekerenyo igo no kwebanga na make sure that a party neyemo a candidate neyemo nento nyare we asat ourselves tobe the honorary party koru region yago abagusi igento ndawatebine akamo oteba angeti igoko bango twabangirwe amatuka mange asenje tokobagana abandi batoka bakare Jubilee abandi batoka no ODM abandi batoka Nkanu yani mwana watina tori democratic kieye ayota rochumna tori konyora kende. You have no table, you have no space on the table, you go bargain for anything. Igabone yentonku baboria obomo nechinguru tobe amo na itora atware sauti eyemo
na gukwanirira kisemi mukonyi b'umurai bwense Professor Abraham Kithura Kindiki niga kwanire umurubiri OCBC oyo chenchetiwe na korokwa CBE na bono nigo orache korokwa CBET ukwana korwa University ya Pwani ime ya Kilifi Kindiki nigo atebire mirobiro ni yaikiranire anemono yo kwarigania borokia batanga ni b'umurubiri oyo abago chagoso senior secondary school omwaka ogocha na gotea abarakia habu nigo barache ko bagwa gatatu se murubiri Chinsa.
We are calling it CBET, that is Kokigon, Reforming Modern Secondary School. In January, the second imposition is going to happen from junior secondary school, senior school. And again, I know physically in terms of infrastructure, we have covered good ground. We can now transit our junior secondary school graduates into senior school where they'll take pathways, not the way we've been doing it, where everybody goes to high school to study everything, but to take pathways. The last 3 years of schooling before university will involve pathways either in STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics courses, or pathways in humanities and social sciences, or pathways in the creative arts and that space which is emerging there in creativity and performance arts. And for me, it's not easy, that has taken a lot of government focus, because we believe a good education system is good for the young people of Kenya, is good for the country now and tomorrow.
Muwaziri boborendi boime Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen nigo akwanire mebasokano a sechipara ukwana korwa account ya Kericho emwambia rero Murkomen niga teba ekyombekerekia NTSA wizara yoborendi boime na boigo wizara echipara ndicho kubwaterana eriko kyanya emebasokano a sechipara asaboigo akwanire kigali kubogoria abantu wetania Ekerengo abantereba gose chintereba korundia kigali batindete na boigo korundia kigali a sechimbero chaigoro kero mwaka nigo osekere mwaka ensi ya Kenya nigego siri abantu gwetania chiribu Isano aseme basokano yebara.
We believe the Minister of Roads and NTSA, even when I was in that office, we have been very, very concerned about the prevalence of road accidents, especially Londiani area, and the general indiscipline among drivers driving along our roads, driver testing of vehicles. I think there are so many initiatives that are ongoing, including vehicle inspection that is going to be decentralized and involve private sector So there's a lot of work that's going on in the Ministry of Roads and NTSA towards making road safety very important. We came here a few years ago and did road markings, and before even we left, some characters had already stolen the material that was used, especially these scrap metal sellers. So there is a lot of work that needs to be done on road safety, and there is need to make sure that personal responsibility among drivers and also the passengers, because when we are filling vehicles, congesting vehicles, you know that it's a 14-seater matatu, but you are insisting that you must get in to 20, 21 and so forth. You know that the driver is drunk, but you are okay. You know he's overspeeding and you are sitting there. So it's a responsibility of both sides. The drivers, the NTSA, the traffic police, and also the question of personal responsibility among citizens can bring us together. It's very sad that we lose nearly 5,000 people every year through road accidents. And this is an issue, and this is one of those counties that has a number of black spots. Even on your way to Kisii, Kablong area, you talk about Londiani, among others. It's important that we observe road safety rules, and I believe that collaborating with the Ministry of Roads, we will continue working together to make sure that our roads are safe.
Moseneta we County Nyamira Ekeonga mugeni nigo aimurunganire murubiri bobo bwenya osha oyo ararakana gutwara omochando engana yabatege kubwatisiwa no moseneta we County ya Kambu Karuguthagwa oyo enegetegesa amonjirire akorekana gwetera ase wizare yo wetera mwaziri wabocheno omoske adendwale nigo murubiri oyo otigaire gutwara emechando asiatigire gukora engana asiatigire gukora emirimo hasebo ngana yabatege kubwatiswa no moseneta okakamega omoske bon kalwale.
Yeah, and Madam Speaker, I don't know the experience of other senators, including my good friend Senator of Nandi, but I have many people from my county of Nyamira, Madam Speaker, who have had many problems in accessing treatment because of the way the SHA regulations were crafted. We know it. And Madam Speaker, I'm saying this with a heavy heart because I came here to fight for the people who elected me, Madam Speaker. And there is nobody, including the Senator for Nandi, who is happy when you see Kenyans who are vulnerable, who don't have the financial resources, going to hospitals and they cannot access treatment, Madam Speaker. Me, as Senator of Nyamira, tabling before this House, Madam Speaker, cases of Kenyans who are residents of Nyamira who have been unable to access SHA treatment in hospitals. And Madam Speaker, I undertake as the Senator of Nyamira that I'll come with those documents with the names of people from Nyamira who have not been able to access treatment in hospitals because SHA is not working. Madam Speaker.
Since the CS for Health, Aden Duale, banned the use of OTPs at the hospitals, SHA is not working. Reason, they say they want to use the biometric. But the doctors in every hospital, they're saying they have not been trained on how to use biometrics. So I wanted to tell you, you are right when SHA is not working. And it is not working everywhere in the country.
Thank you, Madam Speaker, and thank you, Senator Mugeni, for allowing me to inform you. I will also help you when you're presenting those names. I'll bring you the registration certificate of St. Mary's Hospital, Mumias, which was founded in 1932, where Senator Sifuna was born. It has always functioned until SHA came. 3 weeks ago, Madam Speaker, the hospital closed down because their claims were not being honored. I'll bring you that certificate so that you help us.
Chapter Kiresta Kaikomina Isano Nemo, Chinsa Isano Ibere Chavo no Mugaso, Manchumburigeriana, Rayo to Aquariganita, Ekeonga Chinsa Isano Ibera Senchirayo Wengi, in commento to Kuranagega, Tocoretta Yamana and Senchirayo Wing, Torborigere Borubia, Asimiro Getembe TV, Kubata Seka Getari Getembe Toscari.
Uhuru Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills eyuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati anda onsialia utagete showroom yeito nigo ere engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntobwate team tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende kensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate no corrugated na boigo box corrugated asimigo babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerungetato asama mabati alia aye chigage emerungibire na Isano na Isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue na boigo na Green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga cyo gwakeranya amabati yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo gucanye warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex niyo muchuligo busongo iyo erange neduka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere ange nebengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sete namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.